Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn 50 of the best conversation starters ever in Japanese. These are super useful whether you're traveling, meeting new people, or just practicing your Japanese skills. With these phrases, you'll always have something natural and friendly to say, helping you start conversations with confidence. Let's dive right in. Konnichiwa o genki desu ka? Hello, how are you? Hajime mashite. Nice to meet you. Koko ni Kuruno wa hajimete desu ka? Is this your first time here? Himana tokiwa nani osuru no gasuki desu ka? What do you like to do in your free time? Nihon ni kita ko to ga arimasu ka? Have you ever been to Japan? Suki na tabemono wa nan desu ka? What's your favorite food? Hoka no jengo o hanashimasu ka? Do you speak other languages? Koko ni nagakusundimasu ka? Have you lived here for long? Ihai wa nani o siya inikimashita ka? What brings you here today? Dona o nga ko gasuki desu ka? What kind of music do you like? Sa ikin na iga o mimashita ka? Have you seen a good movie recently? Hon o yomu no gasuki desu ka? Do you like reading? Suki na hon wa nan desu ka? What's your favorite book? Suki na kisetsu wa itsu desu ka? What's your favorite season? Ryoko suki desu ka? Do you like traveling? Imame de ichiban kirei data basho wa doko desu ka? What's the most beautiful place you've visited? Supsu o shimasu ka? Do you play sports? Dona supsu ga suki desu ka? Which sport do you prefer? Shimachu wa yoko de kakemasu ka? Do you like going out on weekends? Kono machi desuki na basho wa doko desu ka? What's your favorite place in town? Rairi wa suki desu ka? Do you like cooking? Tokui rairi wa nan desu ka? What's your specialty dish? Peto o katimasu ka? Do you have pets? Peto no na maiwanan desu ka? What's your pet's name? Shizen wa suki desu ka? Do you like nature? San po suru no ni suki na basho wa doko desu ka? Where do you like to go for a walk? Umitoyama, dochira ga suki desu ka? Do you prefer the sea or the mountains? Suki na iro wa nan desu ka? What's your favorite color? Gaki o hikimasu ka? Do you play a musical instrument? Suki na kashuwa dare desu ka? Who is your favorite singer? Odoro no wa suki desu ka? Do you like dancing? Risotoran desuki na rairi wa arimasu ka? Do you have a favorite dish at restaurants? Terebi dorama o mitimasu ka? Are you watching a TV series? Suki na dorama wa nan desu ka? What's your favorite series? Ieto ocha, dochira ga suki desu ka? Do you like coffee or tea? Asagata desu ka? Yorugata desu ka? Do you prefer mornings or evenings? Nani ga anata o warawasemasu ka? What makes you laugh? Atarashi koto o manabuno wa suki desu ka? Do you like learning new things? Nani o manandemita desu ka? What would you like to learn? Suki na shokujitsu wa nan desu ka? What's your favorite holiday? Dujmu wa suki desu ka? Do you like board games? Kyokujen supsu o tem shitako to ga arimasu ka? Have you ever tried an extreme sport? Bijutsu ka ni iku no wa suki desu ka? Do you like going to museums? Dona jijutsu ga suki desu ka? What kind of art do you like? Yasid butsu wa suki desu ka? Do you like wild animals? Itmita iyong noryok saki wa arimasu ka? Do you have dream travel destination? Manabitay jengo wa arimasu ka? Which language would you like to learn? Atarashi hito to diu no wa suki desu ka? Do you like meeting new people? Nani ni ichiban shigeki o ukemasu ka? What inspires you? Hanashai kurete arigat. Thanks for chatting with me. Great job! You've just learned 50 of the best conversation starters ever in Japanese with Romaji. Now you can read, pronounce, and practice these phrases even without knowing kanji or kana. Keep practicing every day, and remember, every conversation brings you closer to fluency. Good luck!